Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn on PMI Advisor concept. In this concept we will be discussing on Introduction of PMI Advisor, Configure Validation Rules, Create Custom Configurations Rules, Advantages of PMI Advisor. Introduction to PMI Advisor. The PMI Advisor to check the validity of manufacturing PMI, such as GD&T and dimensional tolerances, against a set of configurable rules. Based on the options you set in the Settings panel, HD3D tags that indicate the pass or fail level of the applied rules. The Advisor configuration command to customize how the rules are used to check your PMI in all your parts, or in a specific part. To work on it, open a component in NX application with the PMI dimensions and annotations to it. Then go to HD3D tool from the left border bar and select the PMI Advisor option from the PMI Advisory panel will be opened. From the results panel in PMI navigation we can find the errors passed and warnings. To visible these options we need set the settings at the bottom. To solve these error conditions, right-click the error and select Show Advisor Check option. The detailed description of the error is described. By following those descriptions we can modify the PMI features to the component. After modifying the features or represented error, click on Run Checks option from the PMI Navigator. It will modify the results of the component. Now the results of the component are totally passed. In this way we can check the component's errors or warning of PMI standards. After setting the results we can create the reports from the Report option. Select the output path of the report and click on Output Report option. In the specified path the created reports are visible. And we can also create the configuration types of errors. To set the PMI configuration, go to Menu and select the PMI and click on Advisor Configuration. The PMI Advisor configuration panel is opened, and from the Find options or from the tree structure, we can find the required rule to apply it either in the way of warning, error, or informative type and apply the conditions to reflect. And from the settings, save the configuration file to create the custom type configurations and click on OK. And from the Add Custom Check option, define the custom rules and configuration properties of the component. From the Define Rule option, create a new rule in the Logic Editor tab and assign the error type or warning type nodes to create the rule and click on Save, and finish the process. Click on Apply to apply the created custom rule. After setting this configuration's rules, click on OK. To apply these conditions we need to rerun the Run Advisor Check options to modify or to watch the created results in the window. In this way we can run the PMI Advisor results in the NX applications. Advantages of PMI Advisor. PMI allows efficient communication of annotations, dimensions, and other manufacturing information directly on the 3D model. Any changes made to the model automatically update associated PMI, ensuring consistency and accuracy throughout the design process. By embedding manufacturing information directly into the 3D model, the likelihood of errors caused by misinterpretation of 2D drawings is minimized. This can lead to improved product quality and reduced rework. PMI supports geometric dimensioning and tolerancing for more detailed and accurate specification of tolerances. These are the products and services offering from our organization. If you have any queries, please contact our organization through the email or phone. Thank you.